Virtual reality takes these same components to another level by producing an entirely computer generated simulation of an alternate world. This immersive simulation can create almost any visual or place imaginable for the player using special equipment such as computer, sensor, headset, and gloves. Almost any person with a smartphone can get access to augmented reality, making it more efficient than VR. As a branding and gaming tool, AR morphs the mundane physical world into a colorful visual one by projecting virtual pictures and characters through phone's camera or video viewer. Augmented reality is merely adding to the user's real life experience. Virtual reality and augmented reality have exciting potential in the future of gaming, marketing, e-commerce, education, and many other fields. Both technologies are known for their enriched experience that brings together a virtual world and the real one with enhanced 3D visual. AR uses real-world setting while VR is completely virtual. AR users can control their presence in the real world. VR users are controlled by the system. VR requires a headset device, but AR can be accessed with a smartphone. AR enhances both the virtual and real world, while VR only enhances a fictional reality. Architecture is an insightful industry driven by impactful technological innovation, virtual reality, 3D and 4D printing, augmented reality being replaced by viewing VR, where clients can engage in a virtual experience that feel more real. In architecture, virtual software can help architects and constructors develop perspectives that can be better applied in real life. In the construction and building design industry, the technological device that allows users to picture a more exact visual model of their work. The headset also packs augmented reality features to enable viewing beyond the simple prototyping. Constructors can use it to determine a spatial connection between buildings elements. Its greatest benefit is that it reduces the clashes and errors which may the actual building process when the construction starts. Much like big data, the trend will most likely play a fundamental role building better, stronger building. Visualization in VR, augmented reality, 3D and 4D printing are novel technologies still in their early stages in architecture. However, there's no doubt they all go mainstream as more as architects seek to provide experience rather than simple prototypes. Together with a parametric design in 2019, the focus will be on taking basic designs and prototypes to a whole new level. This 2019 Share International Architecture and Engineering Forum will be organized in 10 cities across a Central Eastern Europe. Reality and artificial intelligence are changing the way architecture is perceived as an industry. Imagine a virtual world that you can walk through, observe, and experience firsthand. An immersive virtual reality where spaces are created by combining wireless tracking technology, computer graphics, HD projectors, programming languages, and VR headsets all collaborate to create a lifelike experiences. Virtual reality has already brought significant developments in the engineering and construction industries. By joining forces with augmented reality and all-based technologies, the best is yet to come as technology is constantly improving human life on a day-to-day basis, solving age-old problems encountered by humans. How can we work faster? How can we be more comfortable? How can we improve quality of life? What can we do to live longer, more efficient, and more productive lives? By changing the way buildings are made and by changing the functionality of buildings and humans, technology can positively affect civilization one building at home. At one time, architects' sketchbooks were clunky and graphite covered, and they could easily take up large amounts of space on shelves in an office. Now sketchbooks are digital and all drawings can be easily saved, recalled and displayed without a smell of graphite touching anything. This makes it much easier to show clients a sketch and can make it simple for an architect to share idea with colleagues. Clients now demand a smart technology in their homes and buildings. Smart technology can be used to increase the security, improve comfort, and heating efficiency. Smart HVAC systems, security systems, and lighting systems make homes more and more beautiful. Now, architects are integrating smart technology into their design to meet customer demand. While older homes and buildings are being outfitted with these new products retroactively, it can be hard to seamlessly integrate a smart technology to an older structure. Smart technology works perfectly with the new buildings because the buildings were designed with a smart technology in mind. Construction industries by joining forces with augmented reality and all based technologies, the best is yet to come as technology is constantly improving a human life on a day-to-day basis, solving age-old problems encountered by human. How can we work faster? How can we be more comfortable? How can we improve quality of life? Both technologies are known for their enriched experiences that brings together a virtual world and the real one with enhanced 3D visual. AR uses real world setting while VR is completely virtual. AR users can control their presence in the real world. VR users are controlled by the system. VR requires a headset devices but AR can be accessed with a smartphone. What can we do to live longer, more efficient and more productive lives by changing the way buildings are made? I mean by changing the functionality of buildings and humans technology can positively affect civilization. One building at home. Both technologies known for their expert work and expert their productivity and visual reality real world setting while completely using their traditional system. VR requires a headset devices, but AR can be accessed with a smartphone. As technology is constantly improving a human life on a day-to-day basis, solving age problems encountered by humans. How can we work faster? How can we more efficient? How can we be more productive and more progressive? Construction industries by joining a forces with augmented reality to create the best is yet to come. When new technologies hit the market, significant changes are expected. Architecture, design, and engineering are no exception. The increase in popularity of cloud computing transformed building information modeling into reality, offering architects, engineers, and construction professionals the tools to work more efficiently when planning, designing, and managing infrastructure buildings. In spite of today's advanced technologies, physical prototypes still matter when doing presentations. They an excellent way of showing your work to a client because they pave the way to executing on your digital ideas. However, little by little physical presentations are being provide experience rather than simple prototypes together with a parametric design. In 2019, the focus will be on taking basic designs and prototypes to a whole new level. This 2019 Share International Architecture and Engineering Forum will be organized in 10 cities across Central Eastern Europe. The event will bring together principal and senior architects from leading a practice to discuss and gain each other as well as debate over the most interesting topics in the industry. The sequences of conferences are accompanied by the alternate discussion on the topic of local architecture issues and exhibition of innovative architectural solution, product and services.